Just getting Radiant Guardian for Golden Boy. And gonna be double evil sharpshooter. And find some epic here, epic photo. Yes. This epic Radiant Guardian. What's this name? Just we need to get 8 of them. Double evil. Peace. So we in the game now. Gonna be put some units. Gonna be faster because this is going too long. So let's go and put our curse berserker right here. Oh, I think it's gonna be the money. Gonna put here like that. You can solo this, but we're gonna put 3 of them like that. I'm gonna sell gonna low, not going to log that. Gonna sell this and put program. Get that. Wait, wait. So I'm gonna wait. Put one like that. Waiting. It's gonna be so hard. Going too long with this. I'm going to make part 2. I'm gonna put some pink rockstar here. I'm gonna level 4. It's good. I'm gonna put curse overlord 1 right here. Okay, like that. That's good. Just gonna wait to and I'm just waiting. Play so hard. Let's go faster and faster. It's going to finish. How it finish. I just going. Just going right here to wait to end. Bye. You're gonna wait to win. So first boss, gonna wait. Boom. First boss will not get a unit. It's a legendary portal and we have too long. So peace. This is the second portal. Can get this two portal, can get units. I have too long. So many hours can get 8 unit epic, but 2 of units is of traits. And we grind of legendary. Some legendary. To double evil sharpshooter. So many player double shooter like this. I'm gonna do Abraham. Shooter's pretty cool. I'm gonna go. I see you in part 2. Bye.